Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to enable GPU rasterization in Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. GPU rasterization allows Vivaldi to use your graphics card instead of the CPU to render web pages. This improves performance, reduces CPU usage, and makes browser smoother. Vivaldi is also based on Chromium, so this feature is available through browser flags similar to Chrome, Edge, Brave and Opera. So let's get started. First open the Vivaldi browser on your computer. Now click on the address bar and type here Vivaldi //flags. After that, press enter on the keyboard. Now in the search box, type GPU. In the search results, beside GPU rasterization, click on the drop down menu. Choose here enabled option. Now click on the relaunch button. Click on the OK to confirm. Once Vivaldi restarts, GPU rasterization will be enabled. You should now notice a smoother scrolling and better performance, especially on heavy or graphics rich websites. If you face any issues, you can set it back to default. That's it. This is how you can enable GPU rasterization in Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.